Hey guys, this is your girl Trini Rastadol. So yesterday I went ahead and installed these sponge rollers into my locks. I've actually never curled my hair using sponge rollers. This will be a first, and you guys are gonna get to see that. I actually did this like a really late night last night, about like 1-2 o'clock in the morning. It is currently 8 o'clock the next night, and I hope they're dry, you guys. This is what we are looking like. So right now I'm going to show you guys last night's footage of me installing these rollers. Start taking these bad boys down. I'm gonna kind of just go with the curl. Oh my god, wow, they are dry, which is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some coconut oil on my hands and just take down the rest. I did them 2 at a time. I've used 4 packs of rollers. I believe each pack had 12 rollers in it, and I left back about 4 or 5 rollers. I was concerned about it not drying, but it really didn't do that bad on drying time. Not as short as I thought it was going to be. I still have length in the whole 9. I am not mad at these curls. I thought it was going to be way shorter. These are, to me, easier to take out than the pipe cleaners. And the curls are really, really nice. I'm so going to be doing these for the summer. Especially when I freshen up my color. Oh my goodness, these curls are going to be puzzapping. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these curls. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna separate them for now, guys. I'm sorry, because you already know if you separate the curls, like, it's gonna make it drop faster, and I don't want it to drop that fast. So I'm not even gonna separate it today, guys. All I'm probably gonna do is like lay these edges a little bit. Let's do that. sponge curlers are gonna be my best friend. Yo, especially when I freshen up my roots and my color is popping, you guys, these curls are gonna be popping. All right, but I am so in love with these curls. I just wish that some like these were like a little tighter. Another note that I want to make is that the takedown took such a little bit of time. Like literally it took me like, I would say about 12 to 15 minutes to take out, which I absolutely love. I think the next time I would try doing it like 1 lock per roller, just to see how like tight and curly that could get my hair. But yeah, other than that, I really love these curls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it gave you a little inspiration, get some curls in your life, okay? And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.